This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemon juice at home. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need about 4 to 6 fresh, ripe lemons, a sturdy cutting board, and a sharp knife. Don't forget a reliable juicer, whether it's a manual reamer or an electric model. Also, have a bowl to collect the juice, a fine mesh strainer to remove pulp and seeds, and a measuring cup ready. These items will ensure a smooth juicing process. Now that you have your tools, let's prepare the lemons. Begin by washing each lemon thoroughly under cool, running water to remove any dirt or residues. Next, place each lemon on a clean countertop and roll it firmly with the palm of your hand for about 10 to 15 seconds. This action helps to break down the internal membranes, making it much easier to extract more juice. Finally, carefully cut each lemon in half lengthwise, preparing them for the juicer. With your lemons prepared, it's time to extract that delicious juice. Take one lemon half and place it onto your juicer. If using a manual reamer, apply firm, consistent pressure while twisting the lemon back and forth. For an electric juicer, simply follow its specific instructions. Once juiced, pour the liquid through a fine mesh strainer into a clean bowl to catch any pulp or seeds. Continue this process until all your lemon halves are juiced. Congratulations, you've made fresh lemon juice. To store it, pour the juice into an airtight container and refrigerate it. It will stay fresh for about 5 to 7 days. For longer preservation, consider freezing the juice in ice cube trays. Once frozen, transfer the cubes to a freezer bag. Each cube typically holds about 1 to 2 tablespoons of juice, perfect for adding a bright, zesty flavor to your cooking, baking, or beverages whenever you need it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.